Hi, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Today we're talking about the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Okay, here's a nice shot back here of the stern cushion and lounger, swim platform. Also with speakers for when you're out here anchoring up and entertaining. Walk-through transom. Also have a nice stereo there. Okay, coming in. You have a nice additional seat right here. Aft U-shaped lounger. It also has the infinity woven vinyl flooring, very easy for maintenance and cleaning. You have twin bucket captain's chairs with the thigh rise seating. Nice shot of the helm area here with the stainless steel tilt wheel. Fusion stereo, cup holder. You have the twin Simrad all new digital dash with the GPS. Additional speaker down below. This boat is also equipped with the power tower. It makes it very simple if you're putting a boat in the garage or if you're going underneath a small bridge. Okay. Great setup here. Come over here and we'll look at the, here's where the head compartment is with a pump out. Stainless steel windshield frame. Nice walk through here. You have a fold-up armrest, plenty of room for lounging out. Sea Rays are also known for their ride, so while you're tooling around with the family and friends, to give you ride comfort and plenty of seating. Okay, nice setup. And here we're going to have additional storage underneath. Nice everything heavy-duty piano hinges. All right. Again, this is the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SLX here at our Ship Bottom location. This is Patrick Loda at 609-494-2102. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.